In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear and limit cache in Google Drive for desktop. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To start, let's open Google Drive. First, launch your preferred web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account, as this will give you access to all your files and settings. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to go. Now that we're all set up in Google Drive, the next step is to access the site settings. Look over to the top left side of your browser window. Right next to the URL address bar, you'll see an icon that looks like a slider or a little tuning fork. This is known as the Site Settings icon. Clicking on this will open up a menu that contains specific options for the website you're currently visiting, which in this case is Google Drive. Once you click on the slider icon, you'll be presented with a list of options. From here, select the Settings option. This will lead you to a more comprehensive set of controls that will help you manage how Google Drive interacts with your browser. It's a handy little menu that you might not think about, but it's quite important for optimizing your experience. After you've accessed the Settings menu, the next step is to clear the data that's been cached. Look for an option that says Delete Data. This is typically the next thing you want to do. Clicking on this will initiate the process of removing temporary cache files that Google Drive has stored on your device. These files can build up over time and may contribute to slow performance or even syncing issues, so clearing them out is essential for smoother operation. It's really straightforward. Once you select the option to delete data, confirm any prompts that may appear to finalize the process. This step will help refresh your Google Drive experience, making it quicker and more efficient. Now, if you're using Google Drive frequently and notice that it tends to slow down over time, you might want to think about limiting future cache. While clearing the cache is a great quick fix, limiting it can help you avoid running into the same problems down the line. Look for the settings in the same menu where you cleared the cache. There might be options to limit how much data can be stored or control syncing preferences. Keeping an eye on these settings will help you maintain optimal performance as you work with Google Drive. And there you have it. You've now learned how to clear and limit the cache in Google Drive for desktop. By following these steps, you can improve the overall performance of Google Drive and make sure it runs as smoothly as possible. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to leave a comment below this video. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy organizing with Google Drive.